Good morning, everyone, and welcome to a very relaxed edition of Chill English Flow.
That's right. Today, we want to capture that special feeling of a slow, easy Sunday morning. The conversation is a little different.
Exactly. Weekday mornings are a rush, but Sunday mornings are for taking your time. We'll practice the casual, peaceful phrases we use on our day off.
Our goal is to help you chat about your relaxing weekend moments. Let's ease into our Sunday.
And if you enjoy these slow-paced lessons, please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you as part of our community.
Morning, Sophia. No alarm clock today, I hope.
Morning, Jake. Definitely no alarm. I love sleeping in on Sundays.
Sleeping in is a great phrasal verb. It means you wake up later than usual with no alarm.
It's the best feeling. How did you sleep?
Like a rock. It's amazing how well you sleep when you know you don't have to get up for work.
You can say that again. So what's the first thing on your mind this morning?
Still coffee, but there's no rush today. I'm going to make a fresh pot. Would you care for a cup?
Would you care for is a slightly more formal and very polite way to offer something. And yes, I'd love one, thank you.
Coming right up. Since it's Sunday, I think I'll have a big breakfast.
Are you planning on cooking something special?
I'm thinking of making pancakes. It feels like a Sunday tradition.
That sounds delicious. I was just going to have some yogurt, but now I'm tempted.
You should join me. There's plenty to go around.
Okay, you've convinced me. Pancakes it is.
So, now that we're relaxing with our coffee, what's on the agenda for today? Or is there no agenda?
That's the beauty of Sunday. The plan is to have no plan. I'm just going to take it easy.
Take it easy is the perfect phrase for a lazy day. It means to relax and not do too much.
Exactly. I might just lounge around the house this morning.
What does lounge around mean?
It means to relax in a lazy way, maybe sitting on the sofa, reading, or watching TV.
That sounds perfect. I think I'll do the same. What about this afternoon?
Later on, I might get around to doing some gardening if the weather holds up.
Get around to is a great phrasal verb for doing something you've intended to do but have been putting off.
Right. It's not a definite plan, just a possibility. What are your plans for the day?
I need to run a few errands. Nothing major, just pick up some groceries for the week ahead.
That's a productive way to spend a Sunday afternoon, getting ready for the week.
I try to get it done so my weeknights are free. Then I think I'll catch up on some reading.
Are you reading anything interesting at the moment?
Yes, a new mystery novel. I'm really into it.
I'm really into it is a casual way to say you are very interested in something.
Exactly. So, no big, exciting plans for either of us then?
Nope, just a low-key Sunday, and that's just how I like it.
Low-key means simple, not attracting a lot of attention. It's the opposite of a big, busy day.
It's all about recharging your batteries before the work week starts again.
That's the most important part. You need that downtime.
So it sounds like your day is pretty laid back.
Very laid back. The only major decision is what to make for dinner tonight.
Maybe just order takeout. Keep the relaxing vibe going.
Now you're talking. That's a brilliant idea. No cooking, no cleaning.
That's the essence of a perfect Sunday.
This has been a nice, chill conversation. Let's do a quick recap of our top 5 Sunday phrases.
We learned sleeping in, take it easy, lounge around, low-key, and recharge your batteries.
All perfect phrases to describe a relaxing day off.
We hope you are all having a wonderful and restful Sunday wherever you are.
Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite thing to do on a lazy Sunday? We love to hear how you relax.